Good morning, everybody. Please permit us. I am myself, Doni Syahan, and my friend Rifki Komarula want to present our paper. The title is Effectiveness of Digital Learning for Elementary School Students, Clean Air Teams for Health and Prevention COVID-19. As introduction, disasters and dangers that arise is the absence of vaccines as or effective drugs to treat people who have been infected with COVID-19. Zoom and WhatsApp application media are then agreed upon by researchers and teachers to be used in the implementation of digital-based learning. The aim to be achieved in this research is to examine how the effectiveness of digital-based learning as a medium of student learning, especially in science and health. Materials and methods. The subject of this study involved 31 grade 5 elementary school students. The targets of the research are health, science, education, teaching materials, namely Clean Air Team for Health. This study uses an instrument rubric assessment of study of students' activity and learned response questionnaire by involving parents in its implementation. After conducting this research for 1 month and checking through video recordings of students' activity with parents collected during the activity. Result and discussion. First, formative class evaluation is a questionnaire given to students that aims to find out what level of students' acceptance in learning. As explained in the results of the research that has been carried out, obtained data from students' questionnaire input by as follows. 1. The average data range of scores in the first learning is 2.37, which means includes in the moderate category. Second, the average data range of scores in the first learning is 2.59, which means it includes in the good category. And third, the average data range of scores in the first learning is 2.67, which means it includes in the good category. Second, related to learning process and product data can be understood, namely teaching and learning activities are closely related to learning strategies. Researchers use the Zoom and VR applications that become more familiar in the middle of social distancing and physical distancing as is today. The learning outcomes data that have been carried out in this study are as follows. 1. The average learning data from the first component A, B, and C is 67.64%, which means moderate. Second, the second learning average data from components A, B, and C is 76.57%, which means good. Third, the average learning data of the three components of A, B, and C is 80.87%, which means good. Suggestion. Recommendations that can be given from the results of this research study are: 1. Teachers in the midst of this pandemic have more time to prepare teaching materials that were originally using manual pendual can be transferred with digital media. Second, parents are able to give more time to be with students at home, and parenting education is becoming increasingly necessary after this pandemic outbreak. This research has only been carried out in a limited scope. Research is needed with a wider scope and development in digital media that are easily applied by teachers and students. Okay, audience, thank you for attention. That's all our presentation. That we hope that you get advantages. And we are the authors are ready to answer some questions if from the participants in international seminar want to ask some questions. Bye-bye.